huge. It's a huge flavor. Well, they look fantastic.
It looks very tasty. The egg looks well done.
The yolk is perfect.
It looks slightly toasted. In the middle is still really, really soft.
That's awesome.
I think what I enjoyed most is the crunch on the outside of the bread.
It's pretty solid. The bacon is nice and crisp. The egg is nice and runny.
Listen, this is like it's a high-end bistro type breakfast sandwich.
And this sauce, whatever is this sauce here, and I think that's like the first thing that I taste when I bite into it, is just this little sauce here.
I feel like it's like the trendy toast that everyone's doing these days.
I think there's some crispiness to the outside of the fried egg, which is perfect. Oh, no. Let me get this right. You cooked like cheese down and crisped it like a cheese crisp. Yeah. Oh, yes. It's huge. It's a huge flavor. One of my favorite bread products is the English muffin.
Okay, this egg is a little more well done. The cheese looks really good.
It looks like a version of an Egg McMuffin, and those are always great. There's a lot more flavor going on.
There's some heat in that patty. And it's not like, it's like a sweet heat.
Number two has a little bit of some spice to it, so it's a little bit more flavorful.
Some sort of sweetness to it. There's a huge chunk of sausage in it that I really like.
The cheese really complements it, really balances it off.
Yeah, this is definitely the winner.
I love number two because of the fact that we're old buddies. Me and this guy, we have history, but this is the new girl in town. So I like number one better.
I like number two over number one. The flavor of number two is really good. She cooks with lots of flavor.
I've had some of her food. It's always top notch.